In this lecture, I will go over my suggested training courses that you can take during your spare time and particularly online to help you develop your skills, the skills that you need to be able to successfully perform bookkeeping functions. So, let's begin. Accounting coursework. Take the time to understand the basic principles of accounting. Bookkeeping is part of the entire accounting process. Understanding the accounting cycle and the recording process will help better visualize how the role you will be applying for, interact, and work with the other units. Know what financial statements are, because ultimately, all that you record is reflected in the financial statements, which is the end product of accounting. Special topics like payroll, depreciation of assets, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and inventory are very useful too. Taking these courses particularly will allow for you to familiarize yourselves with the jargon that is unique to the profession. Next, bookkeeping. Taking a basic bookkeeping course. After understanding accounting principles, now it's time for you to learn the mechanical processes itself that is done in the workplace to achieve the goal of compiling the financial reports. Invoicing, paying bills, issuing credits, performing a bank reconciliation, and creating a payroll are just some examples. It is helpful to know the day-to-day processes undertaken by each function to be able to simulate work-like conditions. Computerized accounting software. Learn how to use an accounting software application. While you do not know what specific accounting program the company uses, there are common and highly popular accounting packages in the market that you can learn from, like QuickBooks, for instance. Here's a tip. Once you know how an accounting program works, the same principle applies in using other applications. The look and feel may be different, but the principles and logic are the same. Spreadsheets. Being proficient in using a spreadsheet software like Excel will come in very handy, as you will be asked to maintain some spreadsheet files in performing your tasks. You may also be asked to create and develop new workbooks depending on what report would be needed from you. Business math. Complete a short refresher course in business math to familiarize yourself with common calculations used every day in business, like finding the markup, markdown, cost of goods sold, simple or compound interest, and understanding promissory notes and interest. Business writing. Depending on the specific bookkeeping function you will assume, there will be a need for you to communicate with customers, vendors, employees, management, and even government regulatory agencies, either by email or through regular correspondence. Make sure that your business writing skills are sharp to ensure that you are communicating well and properly. After all, you will be representing the company in your communications. And finally, office applications. Business nowadays largely depend on technology and office applications to work more efficiently. Particularly in accounting, other software applications like word processing, email management, database applications, and publishing applications like what you would normally find in a Microsoft Office suite are necessary. So, here are my recommended training courses for you. To recap: basic accounting coursework, basic bookkeeping, computerized accounting software, spreadsheets, business math, business writing, and office applications.